San Francisco School of Floral Design, spectacular. Tilt that into the camera. How long have you been doing flowers?
3.5 days.
3.5 days. You just created a masterpiece. It really is. This guy has talent. What's your full name?
Joseph Park.
He decided to come here. He works at his family's cleaning service in San Francisco. And he decided to come here, and he's very serious about this. And now it just came out. He just turned into a designer before my eyes. He's going to take out a little pieces to show more flowers. But tilt in the camera one more time. It is like Park Avenue, New York City Lux. Very good. What do you plan to do with your talents?
Hotel lobbies, and now it's specialized in weddings.
Same version, only looser and wilder. How long have you been doing flowers?
A week.
A week. Spectacular. 2 home runs. Oh my God. If you did this in front of me and you came in my shop, I'd think you've been designing for 15 years. This is not easy to do. I don't know how my students do this. How do you explain this?
Great teacher.
Well, both of these are top notch. Put them together. Joseph, turn around. I'm going to explain the difference. This is the formal one for Park Avenue in New York. This is the loosey-goosey one for the hills of San Francisco, the winery. Both the same flowers, 2 different styles. Traditional round, little flying, little weedy. Look at that pretty seeded uke. There's this Queen Anne's lace buried underneath the leaves. It's like a big fat bush grew out of your hands of mixed flowers. Again, Flower School 101. Here we are in class. Wedding day. Ciao.